Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on your Binance. US account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Binance US website and log in using your credentials. Ensure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Access security settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Choose two-factor authentication. In the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Select your 2FA method. You will typically have the option to use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or SMS for 2FA. Choose your preferred method and follow the on-screen instructions to link it to your account. Step 5. Verify and save. After setting up your chosen 2FA method, you will need to verify it. Enter the code generated by your authenticator app or receive via SMS. Once verified, make sure to save your settings. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Binance US account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your recovery codes safe and secure.